Hello my friends, whatever the videos that you might be creating right now, I'm so sure that at one point or the other you use text popping up right on your screen so that you can keep the attention of your viewers throughout the video. So in this episode I have brought for you very useful techniques that you should know specifically for text. Well, you are probably thinking right now, how can I actually keep text customizations right now for the next 50 years? Well, my dear friends, this is very simple. Probably the computer that you are using right now may not be able to go past 10 years, but your text can. Alright, let me show you the idea right here. When you drag down your text right here in the timeline and you customize it the way you want, you know my friends, sometimes you can customize your titles in a very impressive way that you cannot even repeat. This is true and very practical. Sometimes you have the energy, sometimes you have the inspiration, sometimes you are so good, man, and you can feel that you can create the thing in a very perfect way. And you may not want to repeat that, you know. So that is exactly the moment where this trick that I'm showing you right now is going to help you. Now, if your text in this way, like mine right here, I'm just putting this one right here as an example, alright? Now, a lot of you people know if you would like to save this text for the next project, you are going to use this option right here, which is save as a custom, as you can see right here. But this probably have got its limitations. Actually, when you reinstall the Wondershare Filmora, all your customizations are going to be removed immediately. After you save your text right here as a custom, right here you can write your preset name right here, and then okay, you are going to see your text right here on the folder of the text and right here on the custom. Alright, so now this is exactly what you are supposed to do. Use this option right here that is called Syn Title Press. This is going to allow you to upload your preset right straight to the cloud of Filmora, and basically each and every account of Filmora, even without having upgraded, there is a free space on the cloud. You can actually keep your thing right here on your account that you can find in whatever the project, whatever the vision, whatever Filmora is going to release in the future. Filmora 14, Filmora 15, Filmora 16, Filmora 20, Filmora 35, imagine in Filmora 50. What do you think? Basically, as you can see right here, these titles that you are seeing right here, I actually made them a year ago, and I've been renewing this Filmora and even changing the PC several times, but I didn't change my account, you know. So that's how simple it is. The good people of Wondershare Filmora have sponsored this episode, so I would like to introduce to you the newest assets in Wondershare Filmora 13 on their behalf. You can be on transitions, effects, or stickers. Use the search tag China Travel, and this simply means that these assets are more beneficial to travel content creators and something that is close to that. So my dear friends, you can freely go ahead and check out the newest travel resources in Filmora 13 for your benefit. Let's move on, my dear friends, before you get tired. Let's move on to the second technique. Well, my dear friends, text has always been a challenge to edit. Text is not a video clip. Text is not anything else in the timeline. Text is not an audio. Text have got a different editing technique, a different perspective. Like in this way right here, when you select your title right here, there's only this option to customize your title with just a few more options down here. There is this video option that allows you to transform your titles. After that, there is the text-to-speech option. Actually, I'm just trying to show you that we have limited ways to edit our text, you know. Maybe you want to do a lot of things. Maybe you want to do effects. Maybe you want to do transitions. Maybe you want to do some things like, you know, even color adjustments, mask. All those things are actually possible to do on your titles, but they are just some hidden tricks that you have to use. Alright, so this is what I'm going to tell you now. To unlock every editing opportunity for our title, we have to change our title right here from being just a title to become a compound clip. Alright, so this is a very important step for you to do. Alright, so let me just do it just for this example right here. When I right select this title here, I can actually make it a compound clip using this option right here, or I can just use Alt plus G as a shortcut keys. Alright, now right here, my dear friends, you can actually apply the effects to your title. You can now drag the effect of your choice and put it on your title and put it onto your title, and then you can see the effect being effective. Alright, besides that, you can even adjust the color. You see that and a whole lot of things. All right, now let's move on, my dear friends, to the very last one, which is very, very important. All right. Well, my dear friends, my very fact right here is something that a lot of people are not very aware of. You know, when you think about animating the titles, a lot of people just think of putting these in and out animations right here. And for sometimes just a few will be able to know or think about keyframing. All right, so actually I would like to introduce to you something more than that, which is the transitions. Have you seen this at endpoint or this? Actually I would like to let you know that the transitions can be a very, very great way to animate your titles. Look at this transition right here. Look at this other transition right here. You can actually change, you know, which are so good, which are so perfect when it comes to animate your titles, you know. And coming back to keyframes, you don't just add keyframes and move your title in and out. You just do an extra mile than that. When you open this option right here, the control panel is still accessible to your titles. Utilize this Filmora opportunity right here so that you can actually make some smooth animations. Well, my dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video to this very end. If you'd like to appreciate the techniques, hit the like button and subscribe. And until we meet in the next episode, peace.